Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wa bihi nasta'in wa ala umuri dunya waddin wa salatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi washabihi ajma'in, amma ba'du. Excellency Abi Hanif and Umida, I want to explain my imagination map, different types of sneeze. The first branch is, as mentioned earlier, there are many different types of sneeze. We hear them every day. Some people have granny sneeze, while others sneeze as quiet as a mouse. You may have a friend or colleague who even looks to suppress their sneeze, almost keeping them internal. Jadi di sini tuh artinya bersin. Orang-orang tuh bersin dengan berbeda-beda tipe. Mestinya kita setiap hari mendengarkan orang bersin. Bersin itu ada yang suaranya besar dan ada pula suaranya yang kecil seperti itu. Other reasons for sneeze variation. Individuals can vary in their sensitivity to irritants and allergens. Jadi setiap orang itu berbeda-beda ketingkatan sensitivitasnya terhadap iritasi dan alergi. If you sneeze multiple times in a row, it probably means that your body did get rid of the irritants after the first sneeze and is still working to remove it. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.